Hello, everyone, and Happy New Year's. I hope everyone had a very safe holiday and that your bellies are filled and that your spirits are ready to tackle this new year. But right now, we are going to mix some quite vibrant colors today. I hope you're excited about it because I am. As you can see, we're unboxing the new Pottle Mini Noir. Woo! All right, so if you don't know about Pottle, it's just a great way of mixing gel polish or nail polish really quickly, basically mixing it and storing it all at once without palettes and funnels. And it's also reusable, which is great. So we, of course, take off the midi cap and the top and we put it to the side. We add our signature plasma gel, which is what we love to make here. It's basically an amazing builder gel that I mix myself. And so we're going to fill that basically most of the way. Usually my mixes incorporate 75% of that gel, of plasma gel, and then 30% of just color and glitters, because you don't want it to be too grainy. All right, so there was some jellies there. Now we have a little perfect match and some hot yellow. I don't know about you, but I really love neon colors. And also, Pottle is really about using what you have. It's great to run to the store, but sometimes what you have already can make something amazing. So I'm going to add a little IBD. This one's called Black Lava, and I'm obviously almost out of that. So I have to kind of get in there and pull out some color into the Pottle base. And of course, all of our bases are glass as well. Let's see here. And what do you think the next color is going to be? Quick. All right, too late. All right, what is it going to be? Yes, it's going to be blue from C&D. I don't quite remember what this is called, but if you ask, I will definitely go and find it for you. I think aquamarine or something like that. All right, and the last color is, what do you think it's going to be? All right, another beautiful gel haze color. Does anybody remember this collection? I've always really liked it for the summer. It never goes out of style. If you want to know why all of my polishes are quite dirty, it's because they were always in a bag and I was always going to people's homes. So it was kind of hard to keep everything copacetic and beautiful. So not on a desk, but in a bag and traveling all around LA. All right, so you ready to mix? And here we go, everyone. All right, this is the most satisfying part of the video. I just want to let you know that. Also, we have some backwards videos on our IG and TikTok. Make sure you go and follow us on those platforms as well. All right, so all the colors of the rainbow make a beautiful nude color. Were you surprised? I am. Anyway, go ahead and drop it in your mixing marbles. Ooh, okay, that was satisfying as well. Anyway, so we're going to cap that. No palettes, no funnels. You mix and store at the same time. No wasting gel as well. And then that's it. And I mean, how simple is that? 1, 2, 3. You fill it, you mix it, and you use it. That's it. Also, let me know if you guys would like to order this particular, the custom colors that I make on this channel. Just let me know if you like to bid on them and say, hey, Nadia, I really want a Pottle, but I also really love that color that you mixed in video number blah, 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 blah. And I'll say, all right, sure, boom. I'll throw it on my Etsy or I'll throw it on my Shopify store just for you. All right, so this is the very first layer of this beautiful custom color. I think I want to call it Colors of the World, maybe? Sure. All right, so we're going to pop that into our compact cure lamp. Okay, for about 30 seconds. Then we're going to add another layer. I swear, you guys, this is a really pretty color. All right, this is quite beautiful. And also, for anyone that did want to purchase this color, it is a builder gel base. So just to let you know that it won't be a flimsy. When you put it on, you're like, this is super stiff. Yes, it is, honey. Okay. Oh, yes, yes. All right, you guys. That's it. That is the Pottle in a nutshell. You mix and stir at the same time. There's no scraping or cleaning of palettes. You know, no spills, no, you know, but a lot of thrills. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful first week back at work or whatever new ventures you're starting this new year. I wish you many blessings and good luck. Tell me how you love this color, and also chime in. Let me know what colors you want me to make soon. If there's a color that you just like, I just can't find this color. I can't make it on my own. It's not working out, Nettie. Let me know. Anyway, thanks as usual. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.